right, so let's quickly again run you through what the Prime Minister has just said. He's speaking about the emergency once more, and he's also in fact saying why was there a need to speak about this again. In fact, we'll just have our colleague joining us from our newsroom to run you through that tweet, and if possible, I think we'll cut across to Ankit. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll quickly read through what the Prime Minister has said. The Prime Minister has spoken about the emergency. He's spoken about what has happened earlier today. And he also does say that it's important for the youth of the country, again, to be reminded of the excesses that were, covered during emergency. I am glad that the Honourable Speaker strongly condemned the emergency, highlighted the excesses that were committed during that time, and also mentioned the manner in which democracy was strangled. The Prime Minister goes on to say it was also a wonderful gesture to stand in silence in honour of all those who suffered during those days. He goes on to say the emergency was imposed 50 years ago, but it is also important for today's youth to know about it, because this remains a fitting example of what happens when he says the constitution is trampled over. Do remember, again and again, there has been this focal point that has been raised by the opposition, including Rahul Gandhi, about the Samvidhan par khatra, the constitution par khatra. So the Prime Minister says that it's important that we speak about this today, because this is a fitting example of what happens when the constitution is trampled. So he clearly is wanting to turn the tables back on the Congress, on its Achilles heel when it comes to, the emergency, and saying this is your history. How will you even justify that? We also have a fresh reaction that has just come in from BJP Shehzad Poonawalla. Let's listen in to what he has to say.